In this video, I will show the current use cases in mobile edge cloud and show how industry is currently interested in. Let's first take a look at the figure. This figure shows the report on use cases in mobile edge cloud. As you can see, the use cases are very diverse, ranging from transportation and logistics to consumer use case. In particular, for the transportation and logistics, it has around 24% of total use case, with the hardware value around 35 to 43 billion. And for the retail use case, it has around 10% of use cases, with the hardware around 20 to 28 billion. So MEC also showed the significant impact on other use cases, such as advanced industry and healthcare. So in total, there's around 175 to 215 billion for the use cases in MEC. So the use cases in MEC can be divided into three groups. The first group is the consumer-oriented services. So it can directly benefit the end user. There are some applications such as gaming, remote desktop applications, augmented and assisted reality, cognitive assistant. The second group is about the operator and third-party services. So it can take advantage of the computing and storage resources at the edge of the operator's network. There are some examples such as active device location tracking, big data, security and safety, enterprise services. The third group is about the network performance and QoE improvements. So it can improve the performance of the network. Some applications such as content DNS caching, the performance optimization, and video optimization. In the next slides, I will focus on each group. Let's first take a look at the consumer-oriented services. Augmented reality is one of the most popular ones. It can allow users to have additional information from their environment by performing an analysis of their surroundings, and it can give the feedback to the users in a very short time. So augmented reality is very suitable to deploy in mobile edge cloud because mobile edge cloud can provide the low latency and the computation resources. There's another example of consumer-oriented services, which is about the virtual reality. This application can render the entire field of view with a virtual environment. There's an intuitive example of virtual reality. So similar to augmented reality, virtual reality is also well suited to mobile edge cloud, considering the low latency and the hardware resources. So how about the operator and third-party services? Security and safety is an example. It can provide the monitoring of an area for specific events, such as abandoned luggage and it can also provide the authorized access, reduce traffic jam, and support car parking monitoring. So the operator and third-party services can be totally deployed in mobile edge cloud because mobile edge cloud can provide the overview of the resources. Another example of operator and third-party services is active device location tracking. This application can deliver local-aware services in values and retail location. This figure shows the benefit of the mobile edge cloud in retail use case. So, based on the customer preference, the quality of retail service can be significantly increased. The last group, which is about the network performance and QoE improvements. There's a very interesting application. This is about the radio asset network aware video optimization. This application can provide the throughput guidance information to a video server. Let's take a look at the figure. We have a mobile device and we have a base station. The MEC server is attached to the base station. So in this figure, the mobile device can request the video from the content server. But it's worth noting that the application running on the MEC server can also provide the channel connection to the video content server so that the video content server can change the bandwidth to enhance the quality and the performance of the end device. So I just showed several applications which are considering using mobile edge cloud. But actually there are more applications like this. For references. So you can also get to know more about the mobile edge cloud by referring to this book. So this book name is about the computing in the communication networks from theory to practice. This book is written by our chair. There are also other references are considered in this presentation. Thank you very much for listening.